Jasmine was checking her email and seen a new file shared to her by her manager. Request access. You don't have access to this item. Requesting access now. Wait, I'm clicking the link again. And it's the same error. Okay, that's strange. Let's take a look. Why can't they access it now? Everyone else can open it, and they used to be able to open it. At first, nothing made sense. The user had an active account, a license, and permission to the file, yet every shared link failed. The weirdest part? This employee had worked here before. They left, then came back, and that's when the mystery started. SharePoint still remembered the user's old identity. To Microsoft 365, they were both a former and current employee at the same time. For some reason, the old ID didn't delete after 30 days. That's when I reached out to Microsoft support and worked with them to repair the mismatch issue. First, we had to locate the affected user's profile by going to 365 SharePoint Admin. Go to More Features and click on User Profiles. We will then click on Manage User Profile. Locate Jasmine Moore in the User Profile list. Remove Jasmine's name and add yours to Primary Site Collection Administrator and Site Collection Administrators. Replace Admin User with your admin name and click on Save. Go to 365 Admin and click on Users and then Active Users. Find Jasmine Moore and click on her name. Go to OneDrive and click on Create Link to Files. Once URL is generated, click on the link. Next, we have to update the URL to point to the correct site collection layout. Changing the URL opens Jasmine's people and groups list. Deleting the stale user entry forces SharePoint to rebuild its association with her current Microsoft 365 identity instead of continuing to validate the old one. We then select Jasmine Moore, go up to Actions, and select Delete Users from Site Collection. Once the old entry was removed, we re-added Jasmine's name back and waited for synchronization. After 10 to 15 minutes, we tried clicking on the link again. Well, that should have worked. Let's keep digging. Well, looks like we need to clean up the mismatch ID more by completing the second steps from Microsoft support. Type in the person who shared the file, Bryce Morris. Don't remove access, but gain access to his SharePoint by adding your name to Site Collection Administrators. Next, search for Bryce Morris in 365 Admin. Go to OneDrive, and under Get Access to Files, click on Create Link to Files. Click that link. Go to the file Bryce was trying to share, right-click, click the three dots, and go to Manage Access. Click Advanced Settings. Edit the URL. Remove everything after the question mark and change user to people. Press enter. Changing the URL takes us somewhere Microsoft doesn't normally send us. We're opening Bryce's people and groups list because that's where the old user identity is still hiding. Until we remove it, Jasmine will continue getting denied access. In the people and groups section, search for Jasmine Moore and select her name. There she is. The old identity. Select Actions and choose Delete User from Site Collections. This removes the old ID from Bryce's site. Click the Go Back arrow to reach OneDrive permissions, then click on Grant Permissions. Invite Jasmine Moore, change permission level, and click Share. Have the person check their email for the new invite and click the link. Perfect, they can view the file now. The mismatch is fixed. One last thing, go back and remove your admin name from Bryce's profile. Have them resend an invite to verify the fix works without admin permissions. Sometimes the hardest problems aren't missing permissions. They're permissions attached to the wrong ID. Microsoft now provides an automated method for resolving this issue. I still prefer the manual process because it lets me verify exactly what was fixed. Oh, a new ticket. Urgent, we need you. That's definitely not good. I better get back to work. See you on the next ticket.